How to get dark mode on Fiverr.com. Are guys facing issues to get dark mode on Fiverr application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Fiverr on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options over here. Just simply tap on Preferences. After you click on Preferences, click on Appearance. You are looking for dark mode, right? Select dark mode and the app will instantly change to dark mode. That's it guys, that's how we're gonna change it to dark, and that's it guys, that's how we're gonna get dark mode on Fiverr. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.